Nope. Try again. Here. Nope. And there is a bee's nest. Come on. Wait, can you do this? Guys, Liam just crashed,
I'm gonna rejoin.
but he will rejoin. We'll go play games on your laptop. You know what? I will break your PC.
That's my CPU.
Then get out of my face. You have nothing in your fridge.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put some food in your fridge because I want to. I'm gonna get you some cake
My game's lagging.
because there's too much furniture.
My game crashed. Okay.
Just be done already.
Okay, I'm done.
Then join again.
Okay.
Okay, guys, rate who has the best. Liam's. This is his rated. Let's check the inside. Here. Oh wow, I didn't add a Christmas tree, but that's fine.
It's all pink.
A raid.
I tried to make it all pink.
Oh, I like pink, but my favorite color is black. Yeah, this looks good, but this trash bin looks really good because I am not trash. And I can literally I can put a million things in here. A million poop. And you also have a gaming setup, which I don't. So let's go. Oh, I like this. And this and this. Oh, a slide. Let me try the slide. It definitely works. It's not a decoration. Let me just... There. Liam, Can you see me? Go to the slide. Go to the slide.
Okay.
Can
Oh. Did I read something?
the door? The door.
Sit down. literally-
It's broken.
I'm literally obsessed with this song, with the Squid Game song.
Can you see?
I want to try it.
Okay, then go here. Oh wait, no, that. Here.
Wow.
We're literally at the same time. Wait. See? Only me. Wait, can I see myself? I can't get out. Oh, there.
I wanna go.
Wait, can you see me? Wow, it's only you. Black skin.
Bigyan
Got
mo si na nagmamasahe talaga doon.
And also rate mine cabin. This one.
Guys,
And-
just ignore my brother. He's being weird.
I hit him. I literally hit him once.
There is a
And there's also this.
pebble. I like the pebble. Ooh.
You can craft the furniture with this.
I like the plants outside. Okay, I like
And
the big.
This,
board
I don't have a
system.
gaming setup.
I forgot to adjust OMG, but there's a. Oh, I like the kitchen.
And there's a
but
wardrobe.
there's a cupcake in there.
Look, there's a wardrobe.
Yeah, there's some.
Look here.
There's nothing.
Look here. There's a, see?
Clothes. I wanna wear.
I don't think you can open them, but there's a bed. I
There's
didn't.
chests. Ooh.
With nothing.
Bro,
Wait, look here.
Where did you find this? I wanna use it. Ooh, what's this?
can-
Furniture crafts. What am I? Oh,
You can craft the furniture there.
How?
And there's a pond with fish.
Oh, I wanna see
And
that. That is so cool. I like
and
it.
there's this and this.
There's salmon and
And
tropical
there's
fish.
also campfire
Oh, where is that? I'm gonna check about that.
at the back of the house.
Okay. Ooh, so good. I like
Guys,
this. There,
tell us in the comments who wins.
yeah.
Okay. Bye guys. It
Okay,
took
bye,
so
guys.
long. It's almost 1 hour.
Yeah, this video
Bye
is
bye.
so long.